When I first tasted these, it transported me to south of the border in one bite. These Mahi Mahi tacos have flavors combined that you have not had before. After years of enjoying and trying so many different recipes, I stumbled upon a pub in Bend, Oregon that made the most amazing fish tacos ever. It was so good that I changed the recipe at our popular restaurant to be just like theirs. We ended up selling thousands of these tacos like crazy. Our customers raved about them, and I even ate them several times a week while we had the restaurant. This recipe has a few tricks where I show you competing textures and flavors you have not tried before. I'll show you the tricks, ingredients, and my experience enjoying these flavor bombs. So let's get started. First, let's prepare the star of the show, the Mahi Mahi. Take the fresh Mahi Mahi fillets and marinate them with a blend of lime juice, garlic, and a touch of chili powder. Let those flavors infuse for a few minutes while we prepare the other ingredients. Shred the following: half head of Napa cabbage and a third head of radicchio. Shred a carrot, mixing it all together now. Set it aside. The Napa and radicchio are important. The Napa has a light texture and a sweet flavor. The radicchio, a light, bitter profile that mixes well with the cabbage. Check around for the radicchio as it may not be available at every store near you. Make some pico de gallo next. I dropped a link for the pico de gallo recipe down below. Watch it. Here I have fresh tomatoes, onions, lime juice, and cilantro. These are all important flavors that give us these amazing tacos. Don't take a shortcut here with a jar of salsa or a tub of grocery store pico. Fresh flavors are the key. Grate some jack and cheddar cheese, mixing them together. Then separately, grate some cotija cheese. If you're able to find these already shredded in the store, go ahead and get it. It's an easy shortcut and not much loss in flavor. Next is the taco sauce. This is a recipe you will fall in love with and make again and again. It's a tequila lime taco sauce. Mix these ingredients together. If you're sensitive to the alcohol, you can simmer the tequila by itself for about 30 seconds to help remove some of the alcohol. 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of your favorite tequila. 4 milliliters or 3/4 teaspoon sugar. Pepper. Granulated garlic. Salt. Cumin, parsley, and 15 milliliters or a tablespoon of lime juice. Add 60 milliliters or a 1/4 cup of mayo and 240 milliliters or a cup of sour cream, whisking until it's smooth. Set that aside and let the flavors come together for at least 30 minutes. We'll come back to it later. Do have a bottle of habanero sauce ready. I'll show you in the end how I use it. Look for my classic and upgraded habanero recipe here on YouTube to be released in early 2024. Let's cook the tacos and get to the point where I can taste them and show them to you. Heat a pan with a little oil. Season the mahi with a dusting of Cajun spice and cook the mahi gently until the fish is happy. Set it aside, keeping it warm. Now, cook the taco shells. These steps are important. Each taco will have 2 corn tortillas. Find the thinnest corn tortilla possible. With a little oil, cook corn tortillas on both sides until one side becomes slightly crunchy but still flexible. Move them to a platter with the crispier side down. Sprinkle about 15 milliliters or a tablespoon of cotija evenly across each tortilla. Add our corn tortillas to the hot pan with some oil. After a brief heating on both sides, sprinkle some cold water over the tortillas, then flipping them onto the steaming water. When the pan is the right heat, the water will evaporate into the tortilla, leaving it a very soft and delicate corn tortilla. Place those on top of the finished tortillas with the cotija. Top each of those with 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of the mixed cheese. Lower the heat on your pan and return the cheesy tortilla stacks to the pan. Then add 60 milliliters or a 1/4 cup of Napa blend to each taco and a light drizzle of taco sauce. Follow that up with 15 milliliters or a tablespoon of Pico and cotija to each taco. Then the Cajun spice mahi mahi sauteed to perfection, and just like that, our mahi mahi tacos are ready to be devoured. First, I'm hit with the crunch of the corn tortilla, but gentleness of the soft corn tortilla at the same time. The lime and tequila cream taco sauce hits my tongue with the Cajun flavors and perfectly cooked mahi mahi, lime and cilantro, fresh tomatoes, and a balanced sweetness from the Napa blend, a true taste of the Southwest. Over here you see me adding some habanero to it. That flavor helped complete what is the perfect Southwest taco. Let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. What other recipes do you want me to make? Then, watch this recipe over here. It's one of my recipes that YouTube says is perfect for you. I agree with it. I appreciate the time you've taken to watch to the end. Thank you.